Hello everybody, I'm Simon from Simon Security Expert, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to default a Texecom Premier Elite alarm system. Now whether your control panel looks like this or it's the plastic box, the process is exactly the same. The only thing that you'll want to bear in mind is if the engineer, when he installed the system, locked the NVM inside the programming, it means that the default won't work and you can't default the panel back to factory set conditions. So if you do it and you're wondering why nothing's happened and the codes haven't changed, that could be the reason why. In my experience, over 95% of Texecom Premier alarm systems that I have defaulted back to factory set have not had this setting enabled, so you should be fine. So let's get straight into it. To begin, what you're going to want to do is take the lid off of your Texecom Premier Elite. The alarm will trigger into a tamper alarm. Then I want you to disconnect your backup battery from the system and take out the mains fuse. When you do this, it will probably trigger your external bell outside, so just be aware of that. Then on your PCB board, you'll see a button that says above it load defaults. It's just there on this one. So this will be on your PCB board of any Texecom Premier Elite alarm system. I want you to hold that button down while applying the power with the fuse and keep it pressed in, and you'll hear the system click to let you know that the defaults have been loaded. So let's do that together now. Keeping it held down. And the system has now been defaulted back to factory set conditions. So let's go to the keypad so you can see what to do from there. First of all, just put your backup battery on. Now let's go to the keypad. Now we're at the keypad, you're going to want to put the code in, 5678. And you can see that has now cancelled it because the user code is defaulted back to 5678. And the engineer code will have defaulted to 1234. So let's put that in. And it comes up with here, do you want to set language? Yes. Language UK, you know, whatever language you are. Then you want to default wireless. I'd recommend pressing yes to default wireless. And then confirm devices. This bit's very important. If you have keypads that's already on the system, if you have expanders that's already on the system that you want to keep there, press yes to that. And then it will show you what's on the system. In my case, I've got one remote keypad and one expander. Press yes again to that. Press yes again to confirm. There you go, press the menu key and you can just come out of engineer utilities and you're back now into your original engineer programming menu. So now you've done this, go back to your control panel. Now you're at your control panel, make sure your backup battery is connected there, get your lid of your system, pop it back into place and make sure, oh, go 10 flights of stairs, right, and put this back on. So your tamper is secured on your control panel, and now you can go back to the keypad and you can start doing your programming with everything defaulted. So user code 5678, engineer code 1234. I've got loads of other videos in my channel about how to do things, how to fit things, whether it's this panel or different ones. So if you need any help with anything, let me know and I'll be happy to help you through it. Thanks a lot guys, see you on the next one.